Hey, imagine this. You don't feel well. You go to the doctor, and the doctor asks you, "What's the problem?"
And you know exactly what you feel. But in English, the words just aren't there.
That's a really stressful moment because this isn't small talk. This is your health.
And you need to explain clearly in English.
So today, we are going to practice exactly that. What to say at the doctor in simple, clear English.
If that situation feels familiar, this video is for you. This is English conversation practice for beginners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Podcast.
I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah, and we are so glad you're here today.
This channel is for beginner English learners who want to speak more naturally and more confidently.
We go slow, we keep it simple, and we always practice together.
And today's topic is really important, like genuinely useful for real life.
Yes, because nobody plans to get sick, but it happens. And when it does, you need the words.
So let's get you ready. Let's go.
Okay, Mike, why did we choose this topic?
So going to the doctor is already a little stressful, right? Even in your first language.
Yes, and in a second language, it can feel really overwhelming.
Because the words are specific. Headache, fever, prescription. These are not everyday words for beginners.
And if you can't explain your symptoms, the doctor can't help you properly.
Exactly. So knowing even basic medical English, it makes a huge difference.
And the good news? You don't need perfect English. You just need clear English.
Short sentences, simple words, and the doctor will understand you.
So today, we're going to practice 3 situations: making an appointment, talking to the doctor, and getting your prescription.
All beginner level, all real life.
Okay, let's start. Okay, first situation. You need to see a doctor, so you call the clinic.
I will be the receptionist. You be the patient, Sarah.
Okay.
Good morning. City Health Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello, I would like to make an appointment, please.
Of course. What is your name?
My name is Sarah Green.
Thank you, Sarah. And what is the problem today?
I have a sore throat and I have a headache.
I see. How long have you had these symptoms?
For 2 days.
Okay. Can you come in tomorrow at 10 o'clock?
Yes, 10 o'clock is fine. Thank you.
Great. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay. Nice and simple, right? Short sentences, clear information.
And that phone call? It takes maybe 2 minutes, but if you know these phrases, it's easy.
Okay. Next situation. You're at the clinic. You're in the doctor's office now.
This is the most important scene, because here you need to explain how you feel.
I'll be the doctor this time.
And I'm the patient. Okay, let's go.
Good morning. Please, sit down. So, what brings you in today?
Good morning, doctor. I don't feel well.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me your symptoms?
Yes, I have a sore throat, my head hurts, and I feel very tired.
I see. Do you have a fever?
I think so. I feel hot, but I didn't check.
That's okay. I'll check now. Yes, you have a small fever, 37.8.
Oh, is it serious?
No, don't worry. It looks like a mild infection. How long have you felt this way?
Since yesterday, maybe 2 days.
Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, I'm not allergic to anything.
Good. Do you have any other pain? Your stomach? Your chest?
No, just my throat and my head.
Okay, I'm going to prescribe some medicine for you. Take it 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and evening, and drink a lot of water.
3 times a day. Okay, and how many days?
5 days, and please rest. No work for 2 days if possible.
2 days of rest. That sounds good, actually.
I'm sure it does. Take care, Sarah. Come back if you don't feel better in 3 days.
Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome. Feel better soon?
Okay, one more scene. You have your prescription. Now you go to the pharmacy.
This one is short but important.
I'll be the pharmacist. Mike, you're the patient.
Got it.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello. I have a prescription from my doctor.
Of course. Can I see it, please?
Yes, here you go.
Looks at it. Okay, this is an antibiotic. You take 1 tablet 3 times a day with food.
With food, okay. And for how many days?
5 days. It's very important to finish all the tablets, even if you feel better.
Okay, I understand. How much is it?
It's $12.
Here you go.
Thank you. Feel better soon.
Thank you very much. Bye.
To the camera. That's it. 3 scenes. And now you have the language for the whole experience, from the phone call to the pharmacy.
Step by step. That's how we do it.
Okay, let's look at the most important phrases from those scenes, because there were a lot of good ones.
First, and this is a big one, I have a...
This is how you describe your symptoms. It's the most important structure at the doctor.
I have a headache. I have a sore throat. I have a cough. I have a fever.
Just say, I have a, and then the symptom. That's it.
And what if something hurts? You say, my hurts.
For example, my head hurts, my stomach hurts, my back hurts, my ear hurts.
2 structures. I have a and my hurts. Learn those 2 and you can describe almost any problem.
Next, I feel.
This is for general feelings. I feel tired. I feel dizzy. I feel weak. I feel sick.
Dizzy, that means the room feels like it's moving, like this. Makes a spinning gesture.
Yes, very uncomfortable feeling.
And weak, that means you have no energy, no strength.
Important words. Write them down if you can.
Next phrase, how long have you had?
The doctor will ask this. It means, when did this start?
And your answer is simple. Since yesterday, since Monday, for 2 days, for 1 week.
Since, for a specific day or time. For a number of days or hours.
For example, I have had a headache since this morning, or I have had a fever for 3 days.
Don't worry too much about the grammar here. Even since yesterday or for 2 days, the doctor will understand perfectly.
And the last key phrase, I am allergic to.
This is very important. Medical English essential.
I am allergic to penicillin. I am allergic to aspirin. I am not allergic to anything.
If you don't know the English word for your allergy, you can show your phone. You can point. You can write it down. Communication first.
Always.
Okay, now let's think about different situations, because not every doctor visit is the same.
Right. Sometimes it's a cold. Sometimes it's something else.
So let's go through some different symptoms and how to say them.
Okay. If your nose is running, you say, I have a runny nose. Or, my nose won't stop running.
If you're coughing a lot, I have a bad cough. Or, I've been coughing for 3 days.
If your stomach hurts, I have a stomach ache. Or, I have pain in my stomach.
If you can't sleep, I haven't been sleeping well. Or, I have trouble sleeping.
And if you feel very, very hot, I think I have a high fever. Or, I'm burning up.
Burning up, that's a very natural expression. Native speakers say this a lot.
Yes, it doesn't mean you're actually on fire.
Right. It just means you feel extremely hot.
And what about mental health? Because sometimes that's why people go to the doctor too.
Good point. You can say, I've been feeling very anxious. Or, I've been feeling really low. Or, I'm very stressed and I can't sleep.
Simple, honest sentences. Doctors hear these every day.
And it's important to say them. Don't be embarrassed.
Your health, all of it, matters.
And one more situation. If you don't understand the doctor,
You can say, "Sorry, can you say that again, please?" Or, "Can you write that down for me?"
or what does that mean?
Doctors are used to this, especially with patients who speak different languages. They will help you.
You just have to ask.
Okay, everyone, practice time. Say the sentences with us, out loud, right now.
This is the most important part. Don't just listen, speak.
Ready? Let's go.
I would like to make an appointment, please.
I would like to make an appointment, please.
Your turn. Say it. I would like to make an appointment, please.
I don't feel well.
I don't feel well.
Short, simple, important. Say it again. I don't feel well.
I have a sore throat and a headache.
I have a sore throat and a headache.
Now use your own symptoms. I have a... What do you have? Say it out loud.
My back hurts.
My back hurts.
Change the body part. My hurts. What hurts for you right now?
I have had a fever since yesterday.
I have had a fever since yesterday.
Try it with your own time. I have had since.
I feel very tired and dizzy.
I feel very tired and dizzy.
How do you feel today? Say it. I feel.
I am not allergic to any medicine.
I am not allergic to any medicine.
Very important sentence. Say it clearly. I am not allergic to any medicine.
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
This one, remember it always. Can you repeat that, please? It can help you anywhere.
Last one.
Take 1 tablet 3 times a day.
Take 1 tablet 3 times a day.
Morning, afternoon, evening. Say it. Take 1 tablet 3 times a day.
Amazing. If you said all of those out loud, you just practiced real medical English. That is genuinely useful.
Be proud of yourself. Really. Okay, now we want to hear from you.
Go to the comments and tell us. Have you ever been to the doctor in English? How was it?
Or write 1 sentence about how you feel today in English using what we practiced.
For example, I feel good today. Or, I have a little headache. Or, I feel tired but happy.
Any sentence. Simple is perfect.
And if you learned a new word today, write it in the comments. We love seeing that.
Things like dizzy, prescription, allergic, sore throat. If one of those was new for you, tell us.
Your comments help other learners too. So you're not just practicing, you're helping the whole community.
We love this community. We really do.
Okay, we are at the end of today's episode, and I really hope this one helps you.
Because this topic, it's not just English practice. It's real life preparation.
If you ever need to go to the doctor in an English-speaking country or anywhere English is used, you are more ready now than you were before this video.
And that matters. That's real progress.
Remember, you don't need perfect English at the doctor. You need clear English, simple sentences, honest communication.
I have a headache. I feel tired. My throat hurts. That's enough. They will help you.
Don't let language stop you from taking care of yourself.
Never. Your health comes first. Always.
And we will keep helping you build the English you need for real life, real situations every week.
So if this video helped you, please give it a like. It really helps our channel reach more learners.
And subscribe so you never miss a new episode. We have something really special coming next.
You are going to love it, I promise.
She always says that, and she's always right.
I am always right. Okay, thank you so much for watching Easy English Podcast.
Take care of yourselves. Stay healthy.
And we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye, everyone.